Hi guys, uNdoni lona. Ngizochecka la ukuthi ama colleagues ami ngikwazi ngempela yini.
Okay. Uba okhalela ukusiqalela. Okay, nangu sekhona.
Mepo.
Ngiphinda?
Mepo.
Hamba zothanda.
Okay. Sikuyenza ithuba lokugcina. Ngisho futhi.
Mepo.
Ilo mntwana lo Sidudla uchapha idoli lo mfishana
manje. Okay. You have one Lolo. Okay, next. Who is next? Okay.
Ndoni.
Ngiphinda?
Ndoni.
Ay Popeye lovers.
Now lovers. Next. Ay that's dog gap. Pedro.
Ndoni. Zui.
Oh my God. Okay, next is one. Fast guys. Change your voice.
Ngiphinda?
Change your voice.
Popeye zothanda.
Okay. Okay, next. At least sekhona phambili.
Awuyangithanda wena.
Kahle.
Ndoni.
Hayi Popeye sibani mfethu.
Umashente kodwa boy.
Next. Change your voice.
Hayi impilo.
Okay, okay. Ugcina lokho. Akuzogcina nje. Okay, ishintsha futhi.
Tosha Popeye.
Okay, wrong. Kwazo.
Dildos. Anathi. Usedidekile.
Next. Usasho bethuna ke guys. Change your voice. Dad.
Hayi impilo. Kahle.
Asikudenzi ithola lokugcina. Dad.
Hawe God. Again zothanda?
Yes.
Ita ayibo.
Next.
Angiza ngaphakathi Nkosi.
Hayi kahle.
Okay, let's talk.
Ndoni.
Awutosha.
Okay, next. Next. Change your voice.
Ndoni.
Sompilo shi.
Wow. Mr. Katata.
Next. We still have.
Woza.
Mnyaka mpilo, we're wasting time. Woza. Hayi bonina.
Woza.
Ngiveza manje bathi ngiyathetha. Woza. Change your voice.
Hayi Maya yawusuke la.
Umbaba.
Fast. Okay, next. Who is next?
Yeah, he's next.
Ndoni.
Ha?
Ndoni.
Bepho, uyangiphinda?
Okay. Ngiyeza lokuthiwa lokugcina.
Ndoni.
Anathi Popeye.
Okay, Anathi, thank you. Next. Who is next?
Oh, nice.
Next.
Ndoni.
Zothi.
Venga, ate goal. Ndoni. Seshilo, ogcina gci. Ndoni.
Umphathi.
Oh my God. Okay, thank you. It's a wrap. If you have. Oh, show me come on, 3.
Yes.
Okay, hi.
Mana na ucina.
Usazwavula nje.
Hawu, usavulile sisi.
Siyabonga. Ngoba labangaziwa.
Bepho.
Mina
Cha phela. Noba
Hayi.
no TK.
No Bhuju.
No
No Tokozo.
Nkosi yami.
Ukhonza naye.
I know life gets tough. You know that too. We know days are not the same. Sometimes our emotions are all over the place. Sometimes it feels questionable. But one thing I don't want you to ever second guess is your importance to me, your worth, and the love I have for you. I would never let an argument or any big disagreement come between us.